Good morning, hello and welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is week 30. Today I am really excited. We've got the lovely Deb Willow Works in today and she is teaching a basket weaving workshop, which is really nice. We've got 4 pupils, some regular faces and some old faces that we haven't seen for a while have returned as well. Let me take you in. Who have we got here? It's Miriam. Hello. Viv's back again. We can't get rid of you, can we, Viv? Not that we want to. I need you. And we got the lovely Sue back. Hello, Sue. And Joe's up there. Give us a wave, Joe. And this is Deb, and she's doing the basket weaving workshop today. So I'm just going to zoom in on what Sue's up to. Let's have a look, Sue. Looks hard work. Is it hard on the old hands?
Well, because I'm managing with my dodgy hands.
To heave.
Make it look a little bit easier than
that. Oh, it's looking good. So what are you actually making today? One of these little baskets, I think. You zoomed in. I think they're making one of these little baskets today. Or it might be one of these baskets. I don't know. They're making a basket. It's all lovely. Ooh, this kind of looks like a lobster pot or something at this stage. So that's with the uprights added, yeah?
Yeah.
So now you're gonna go up the sides?
Yeah.
Very fancy. You look like you've made a little bird's nest there, Miriam. It's very sweet.
It's a very... You're at the end now, aren't you?
Yeah, but
this is coming
Viv's posting her.
Thank you. Sorry.
Do you need lots of space, don't you?
Yeah.
Excellent. Everyone's finished their baskets. We've just done our photo shoot. Look, Sue's packed hers already. Ready to go home with all her bits and bobs. You pleased with it, Sue? Yes, oh, you got like a halo of sunshine around your head. It's very useful. It's very pretty. Yours has got a handle, and Joe looks like she's about to go out and collect eggs for the chickens. So you've got that under your arm. It's good, isn't it? I love that. Really, really pretty. Well done. Are you pleased with it?
I'm really pleased with it.
Fabulous. Now I've just got to clear all this up. Oh. There's Miriam's. She's into ladies, but that's really pretty. I love it. I love the way you've used the different coloured willow as well to get like the stripes. Didn't realise you were going to do that. Super. If you would like to come and do this workshop again, let me know and I will speak to the lovely Debbie and see if she'll come back. But I know I definitely want to make my basket, and she's got some ideas of things that we can do for Christmas as well. Another day at BTHQ over and done with. What a mess. It's taken me an hour and a half to tidy up, but I've got one day intensive tomorrow, so I've had to put all the tables and chairs back, get all the machines plugged in, and get myself sorted, and it's now nearly 7:30 and I really need to go home. There is a bottle of rosé in the fridge calling me, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is Saturday, it is 10:15 and I'm just waiting for my lovely ladies to arrive for their one-day intensive beginners sewing. I'm hoping, there's a big grey cloud out there and I'm hoping it's going to stay there or pass, because I've got all the chairs outside, and because I'd really like everyone to take a seat outside first of all, so I can give them a rundown on how the day's going to work, and all of our new rules and things like that before everybody comes inside. But sod's law, the heavens will open at exactly 10 o'clock when the first person arrives, but we'll see. It's very exciting. We've finished. Show us your box, Vicky.
I'm really enjoying this.
Yay! So look, Sally. Well done. Super. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, loved it. Thank you.
Let's have a look at your boxes, girls. So we've got Jenny and Khalida in here. Oh, check it out. And they're using our apple fabric. Tina's just getting hers finished off. Let's have a look at that, Jenny. Oh, you've got the bright light behind you. Pop it here for me. There we go.
There you go.
Lovely. That's our little apple quilting cotton that we've got in the shop. It's really cute. So if anybody wants that, you can buy that from us. Lovely, lovely. Well done. I think it's time for tea now. That went so well. I didn't get a video of everybody when they finished, but I have got some photos. I'll pop them up now. Everybody had such a nice time. It was really nice to just be, again, normal. The social distancing works brilliantly with the sewing stations and the pods. It really does. I've spaced it out really well. I'm quite proud of myself. So I can stand here in the doorway between the 2 units and talk to both people at once. And then if people do need to come in to look a little bit closer, then they're really able to spread out nicely in unit 2 without having to come into contact with each other. A couple of ladies popped a face covering on a couple of occasions when I did need to get a little bit closer just to show them the zipper feet, but other than that it was all good. Really, really lovely. Really enjoyed it. They've all gone home really happy. So I'm going to take 3 days off now, although that's a lie. I'm not going to take 3 days off. I'm going to be here again tomorrow on Sunday. I'm doing a live Zoom at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, just going through buttonhole basics. But I'll only be here for an hour or so and then I'll be heading home again. So yes, I might see you then. I might not. We'll see. Good morning, hello and welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is Wednesday. I'd left the camera up there when I came in on Sunday to do my little Zoom buttonhole masterclass, thinking that I'd pick it up and include it into the video, and clearly I didn't, did I? But anyway, nice day today. I've got 2 lovely ladies coming in to do free machine embroidered lilies. So they're going to be in unit 2, and in unit 1 here I have everything crossed. I've got an extra special visitor, but I'm not going to announce it just in case she doesn't come. And I'm going to have to put all the chairs out because it's BTHQ Alfresco today. Nobody's booked, but it is due to be a really nice day, and if I don't move the chairs out there then I'm not going to be able to walk around in here because they're currently on the floor just in the shop. So other than that, today is a day for me. I am going to teach that class, but it's a fairly easy class that I can show them what to do and they crack on. So I'm going to attempt to get some dresses and things cut out that I want to make over the next weekend. We've got our So Beautiful Things sewing club weekender this weekend. I've only got 2 ladies booked with me in person, although there are quite a few people joining us online via our live stream. And so I am going to do a little bit of my own personal sewing during that weekend. So I want to get everything cut out today so that I can crack on. But we'll see if that actually happens. The sirens going past. See if that actually happens, or whether I get completely bogged down in work and get nothing done. Watch this space. So we are underway. We have moved the tables again because we want to do some cutting out. Now you might recognise that little laugh, that little chuckle in the background there, that slight squeak. Look who's here. She's back. And the best thing is, because she's in my bubble, we can hug. Which is lovely. And I just have to, I'm going to spin you around actually, because I'm going to have to make her do a twirl. Elspeth, I'm very proud of her, has made her own jumpsuit with no help from me whatsoever, out of a really tricky floaty fabric, and it looks fabulous. So let's have a look. She has made the Tilly and the Buttons marigold. It looks fantastic on her. Not just that, but she's even matched her undergarments and her earrings. Show us your earrings. Beautiful. And if you turn around, look at this. She's even made little poppy or velcro little bits to attach it to her bra so that it doesn't fall down. Well done. And it looks fabulous on you. Strike a pose.
It feels pretty fabulous.
You are pretty fabulous.
Oh, I am fabulous, aren't I?
It's really good to have you back. It's so nice. And she's cutting out an Eve dress at the moment out of the similar fabric but a slightly different colourway. Now this stuff, I must show you this. It's Hamburger Lieber by Suzanne Firmenich.
Firmenich.
Where's it from? Where did you buy it from?
It's from myfabrics.com.
My
who
Fabrics.
are in Schleswig-Holstein and Germany.
Ah, so she knows all these things. But how naughty. Look at this selvage. It's massive. So if you're buying your fabric, you have to lay it out so that you can fold it across here. So there's all this wasted fabric. I did say to Elspeth, we've measured from here to here to actually see what the width is, to see whether they include this in the width on the website or not. But if they do, I think it's a little bit cheeky. I've never seen a selvage like that before.
No, I haven't.
It's huge.
And it was quite awkward with this jumpsuit.
I can
because
imagine.
I only just squidged it in.
Yeah, and I would imagine it wasn't cheap either.
It's not extortionate, but it wasn't a cheap
No,
buy, no.
exactly. But it is beautiful. Is it a viscose rayon or just a rayon?
It's I can't remember exactly what.
It's
they
a
said.
floaty
I just
drapey
knew
something.
It was one that was going to be lovely for Eve and lovely for this.
Exactly. Oh, well done. And next door we've got Jenny and Jill, and they are cutting out their petals for the free machine embroidered lilies that we've done, which is a precarious task. So they are all breathing slowly and quietly and concentrating. If you want to learn how to make these, then one of the videos that I'm actually going to be filming with the lovely Glyn from CVS at the beginning of August is a class on these free machine embroidered lilies. So you will be able to learn how to make them with me online if you aren't able to come into the studio, which is exciting. And I'm busy cutting out too. I'm cutting out my paper pattern for the Tilly and the Buttons Bertha cardigan, which is this kind of loose smoochy cardigan you can see there. I am going to attempt to make it out of really random vintage fabrics, but I have an awful feeling that I'm not going to have enough. But they do go. They clash but go, if that makes sense. But until I've cut out the paper pattern pieces, I'm not going to be able to see if I'm going to be able to get it out of this or not. And if I'm not, I'm going to be really sad. But I'll let you know. Jill and Jenny have finished their little flowers. Have held it up for me. Yay! Beautiful. Well done, Jill. Jenny's got hers. Beautiful. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, it's good.
Sticky fingers though. Look, I got some cutting out done. Got some PJs for little Miss Mac. I got the cardigan done just about out of all my scraps, and I also got the Tabitha t-shirt dress cut out of our lovely fluorescent leopard print. So I've got all of those to sew up next weekend, which is really nice. And I want to get some more cutting out done as well. I do find it so much easier if I can just grab a bag and go. So that's done. I've tidied up again in here. And had a good tidy up next door. Elspeth is all done. She's just gone home, so it's all looking nice again. All that's left to do is bring the chairs in from outside. No one sat on them all day, but that's fine. At least we've been able to walk around in the studio, which is good. Lots of you popping by to pick up fabric, which is really nice, and loads of new faces as well. So we've got a group on Facebook called Brentwood Open, which is a really good group, and it's where all of the retailers and anyone whose business is that's basically open at the moment is able to promote themselves, and it's lovely to see the local residents of the town supporting that group. We've posted in there a couple of times, and I've found quite a few people have come along because they've seen us on there, so that's nice. I have got a new fabric order coming in. I've placed 3 fabric orders over the last couple of days, and the lovely Solomon from my supplier phoned me today to let me know that it was all done and all sorted and cut and being dispatched today. So it might come tomorrow. If not, it will come on Saturday. It would be really nice if it does come tomorrow, and then I can bring it in on Saturday and just enjoy it, and I'll have it for our sewing weekend, which will be good. So that's another week of BTHQ Banter over and done with. Elspeth has spent the entire day cutting out. She's cut out her Eve dress, she's cut out a floaty top, a couple of little skirts, and then she helped me cut out, that's actually what else I've cut out as well. She helped me cut out a kilo wrap dress, because we've got a kilo class in a couple of weeks time, and I want to make one along with my pupils, so she helped me cut that out as well. And she also helped me draft my pattern for the Tabitha t-shirt dress, so we did that together, so it was nice to have a nice sewing day, just the two of us, which was lovely. So I will see you all again next week. That's yet another week of BTHQ Banter over and done with, and another nice normal week, which is just lovely. It feels so good to be back somewhat to normal. I will see you all. Oh, little update on Mr. Wonky. If you don't follow me on Facebook, then just to let you know, he's now been with us just over a week and a half. He's been going out and about, bringing himself back home. He knows where his food is, he knows where the love is. He's found his bed, he sleeps in his bed. He's beautifully well behaved and incredibly affectionate, and he loves us all lots and we love him lots. So he certainly found a good home with us. So for those of you who have expressed and need a desire to find out what happened to Wonky, he is now very, very happy. So I will see you all next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.